This is a quick tutorial to show you how to set reminders inside Google Calendar. First, go to your Google Calendar and you'll notice on the left-hand side you have all the various calendar layers. My personal calendar and your personal calendar is your default calendar and will always be there. You may not have any other additional calendar layers, but you're certainly able to create them. I want to draw your attention to the word reminders in that list, though, because reminders must be checked off in order for you to use the reminders feature. So when you select reminders, it will show the layer that has all of your reminders on your calendar. Say you want to set a reminder for a day later in the week, Friday, for instance. If you single click on Friday, you'll notice that an appointment box pops up. But it's more than that. You can create an event. You can say that you're out of the office so that no one can schedule you for a meeting. The reminder button is there and also for appointment slots. But let's look at the reminder button because that's what we are talking about in this tutorial. When you click reminder, you want to make sure you add a title that makes sense because when you get the reminder, you don't want it to be cryptic. You want it to remind you exactly what it is you need to do. Let's just say I need to be reminded on Friday to turn in an activity log. Okay, so I'm going to put that for a time on Friday um, in the afternoon. And so the default is checked all day. This is not an all day reminder, which will pop up in the morning. Instead, I want to give it a specific time. So I'm going to deselect the box next to all day, and then that will give me an option to put in a time. So let's say I'm ready to clock out at 5 o'clock. So at 4:30, I'd like to be reminded to go ahead and turn in my activity log for the week. So when I click save, you'll notice it has the reminder on that day. Now, I want to go back in and edit this one because it occurs to me I might want to do that every Friday. You notice where it says does not repeat? If I select that drop down, I can choose if it happens every day or just weekly on Friday, which is the case that I have here, or maybe it's just the second Friday of the month, or whatever custom parameter you want to set. In this case, I'll say weekly on Friday, I want to be reminded to turn in my activity log. So what I do, I just click save. And when I do that, you'll notice it populates all the way down my calendar for months to come. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I know it's going to help me keep myself together. Thanks for watching.